Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to Courtney and I's channel. Happy 4th of July weekend to everybody. So today we are going to be doing something different. You and I are going to be cooking together, so we're going to give that a go. I figured that today we were going to do chili, so let's get started. Okay guys, so today we are going to be making chili, and I am going to take you through the steps of doing it and telling you what you need and everything. So we're going to start with, the first ingredient that you need is a sweet onion. We're only going to be using half of it. We are going to slice it in half and chop that up. Okay, I'm not a professional cook, so like, let's not judge my knife skills. But, so we are going to slice up our onion, and after that we are going to put the onion with the ground beef, and we're going to cook that together. This meal is like really easy, so that's kind of like the only really cooking part that is required for you to do. My eyes, oh my god. Can you see it? Can you see it?
A little look back. Oh yeah.
We're gonna save the rest of the onion and just like put it in a bag. Okay guys, so the next step that we are going to do is we're going to start frying our meat and putting our onions in with that for the chili. Okay, so we are just adding the half of the onion so we can mix them all together. See, I think the problem is I put the meat in overnight to like defrost, but it's still a little frozen.
Are you talking to me or the camera?
Both. I think once it cooks, like, it's gonna break apart more. So while we are starting to make this, I'm gonna start putting the rest of the ingredients in the crock pot. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the crock pot on low, and this meal is gonna cook for 6 hours. So we're gonna start just by adding our ingredients. We have 2 cans of 100% natural diced tomatoes. And then next we are going to be using 2 cans of Nature's Basket organic beans. I'm using a can of pinto, and then I'm also going to be using a can of black beans. Traditionally, I believe chili is made with kidney beans, but I literally just dropped that in there. This is actually Ashley's cooking show gone wrong. So this is, like, you know how you see cooking shows online, guys? Like, this is the real version of it. This isn't, like, fake. Like, this is me messing up in life, and that's a normal human thing, I guess. Okay, so anyway. So, traditionally it is kidney beans, but I like black beans, and I added pinto as well. And then next we are going to be using tomato paste. As you put the tomato paste in, kind of mix it with a little bit of water and slowly pour it in because it is a very thick paste. And guys, this is literally like the definition of me trying to live on my own. So like, yes, I do enjoy cooking and I know how to do it to a certain extent, but I am definitely still in the process of learning. For example, I thought that my meat was completely defrosted. I was wrong. So I'm going to kind of just mix it up a bit and slowly add it. I'm going to put like half in there and then put water in the rest and mix it around a little. And just so you guys know, the reason I chose to do this meal, because I feel like traditionally for like 4th of July, everyone does like cookouts and burgers and stuff. And I wanted to do something that was like a little bit different, but I still felt like had like the 4th of July vibe to it. And also, like I said, this is a really easy meal to make, and it lasts you like a bunch of days. And I think that's helpful, especially when like, if you're living by yourself, or like for example, it's just Perry and I, so it's nice to have a meal that you can go back to, and it's a big meal that's going to last you a long time. Also, I'm going to just add like a pinch of sugar. It's always important to add that. And then if you don't have all the spices for chili, that's why you can just go out and buy your packet for chili, and it makes the meal so much easier. Alright, so we used all of our ingredients on this end. Like I said, the meat is still cooking. Like I said, this meal, it is very affordable and very easy, because if you think about it, most of the products, it's literally a packet and then you have canned food. And I tried to use products that weren't completely terrible for you, like, you know, going organic and natural, and, you know, trying your best to still make it somewhat good for you. But yeah, so we're going to go back to the meat, get that cooked up. I put this on low so it's, you know, starting to heat up. And once I put that in, we'll stir it all together.
Oh no, Sol, no.
What did she get?
She's trying to eat the onion. I forgot about that.
Onion's actually really bad for dogs.
Onions?
Yeah,
Or
like, I think it's toxic to them.
onions? I would have cleaned it up right away if I knew that.
Obviously, make sure that your meat is cooked thoroughly. Make sure you always add some salt and pepper. So I'm just going to add some to my meat.
Half cooked. After all.
Okay guys, so it looks like our meat is about done. So we're going to put it in the crock pot with the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, so now I am just going to stir everything together, and this pretty much completes the chili. We just have to put the lid on and wait for 6 hours for it to be done. Like I said, like, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and saw that it was a very easy video, very easy meal to cook, and later of course I will show you the finished product and how everything turned out. We're also pairing some rolls with the chili. We got some snowflake dinner rolls because I'm sure it's going to taste really good with it. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked watching this video. I know it was a little different. I thought it was fun because I don't know about you guys, but maybe you guys are in the same boat as me and just like learning to live on your own and doing meals like that. But if you guys don't have like a crock pot or anything, I would definitely suggest getting one because you can make really big meals for yourself and they'll probably last you the whole week. Alright guys, so it's been 6 hours, so let's see how we did. This is how it's looking. Alright, so I have a little bit in here, and don't forget the most important part, cheese. Alright, so now we're going to taste it and let's see how it turned out.
That was good chili. I enjoy that.
Is it good?
It is good, yes. Told you it's hot.
It's good chili. It's good chili. It is approved. So make sure you guys make this really easy meal. That way you guys can have a bunch of leftovers and eat it for a while because it is really good. And happy 4th of July weekend.